Hello, welcome to my screencast demonstration for the MealMate app. My name is Mohd Afzal and first let's look at user registration. Here I enter a username as email and password. The app validates the input and stores it in a database. Once registered, I will log in with those email and password. Let's enter email and password. After a successful login, I am taken to the main dashboard where we can see welcome card, quick access grid. Now let's create a meal from dashboard. I tap create a meal. I will name it as rice. Let's upload an image of rice and dal. Recipe name rice. Lunch category. One cup. Rice. Instruction: add 1 cup rice and 2 cup water in a rice cooker. Now save recipe. MealMate planning. Let's plan for Wednesday. Lunch in rice. Now you can see it in grocery list. We can share it through SMS and other application. Let's share it through SMS. We can see it in our message box. Finally, we can swipe right to buy, and we can see it in purchase list.